Here we have a 2005 BMW Z4 2 litre. Got some nice alloys on this, 18 inch. And some good nicks all round. Got a nice sporty throaty exhaust on it. Working electric roof. Black leather, heated seats. Working roof, as I say. So it's got a nice throaty exhaust to it. I'm going to put the roof up now. Clip it going up, and that's that. Electric windows, and it sounds pretty cool. It's done 92,800 miles. It's got a nice sound to it. Parking sensors, which is good. Nice sound and exhaust. Don't think there's a back box on there. I think it's just a straight through. It does give it a nice roll. I'll go outside and hear it. Rev. So if you'd like to come and view it, you can. We're based in Wellington, Somerset.